Hey guys, what is up? It is me, KodingKing here, and welcome to the first episode in Minecraft 1.11 modding tutorials. Now, basically, you will need to learn just a small bit of Java, and if you don't know Java, then I would recommend just watching up some tutorials on YouTube. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm doing it on a Mac, and basically, to get the mod development kit, or the MDK, which is where you'll be able to make mods with, you will go to files.minecraftforge.net and then press enter, and that'll load up Minecraft Forge. Now, I wouldn't recommend going through the link, because that will show up an ad. So if you just go to the MDK, hover over the I, then click direct download, it will directly download the Forge MDK down to your computer. Now this works on Windows and Mac, except some things may vary. So I'm just going to create a new folder called Minecraft Forge Test Mod, which is going to be for 1.11. Okay, so now I will go into here, and all we need to do is go and click on this, so extract it into the zip file, open this up, and then drag everything into here like that. And then that'll be all good. That's all we need to do for Forge. It's quite simple. Now I would suggest that you download IntelliJ, which if you just search up IntelliJ IDEA, then just go to the main page here, and then just scroll down until you find download, and then once you've done that, just download the community version, because otherwise you'll have to pay. Like, yes, you can download the ultimate version, but it is quite expensive, so just download the community one, because it has all the features that we'll need. I've already downloaded and installed it, so let's just get straight into setting up the mod. Okay, so now what you need to do is open up IntelliJ, and then once you wait for this to load, once it loads, I'll be right back. Now, I've just forgotten one thing. Before you open up IntelliJ and do anything else, make sure you search up Java JDK 8, and then go down to this link right here, and then make sure you click Accept License Agreement, and then download it for your current operating system. So if you're on Windows 64-bit, you would click on this one. If you're on Mac, you will click on this one. And once you've installed that, you can continue with the tutorial. Now, if you're not sure, just search up another tutorial on YouTube, and that'll show you how to install. Now, what you need to do is click on Import Project. Now go to wherever you saved your project, and go click on build.gradle. Click open, and then now make sure you click on this, which is create directories for empty content routes, and then I am just going to make sure that you have the Java 1.8 selected. If you don't, you will need to create a new project. If you don't have it, then you need to create a new project, and then you need to make sure, click on Project SDK, now click New, JDK, and then you will need to just click Open, and then just click Next, create the project, and then exit out of that project back to here. If you're on a Mac, it should just come back to here automatically. Then you click on Import Project, and go to the build.gradle, click Open, and now you make sure you have this ticked, and then click OK. And this will just load everything up in IntelliJ and make it all ready so we can start coding. And I'll be right back as soon as it all loads up. Okay, so now once you see there is nothing going on down here, then basically that means that Forge is all set up for you to use. Now, before you do anything, what I want you to do is go into here and change this version to 1.11-latest. And then you just need to do Control S or Command S, depending on which operating system you're on, and then close that. Now, what you will need to do is go down to this bit, this bit down here. Click on to Gradle. Now click on Tasks, Forge Gradle, and then you need to right-click, Set up Decomp Workspace, and then I'm just going to put allocate 2 GB of my RAM to Forge so it runs a bit faster, and then just click Apply and then click OK. And then finally, once you've done that, you can click the play button, and then that will set up Forge for you, download everything that you need, and then once you've done that, we can move on to the next part. And I'll be back when it's all finished. Okay, so now once you've finished doing this, once it's finished doing the setup decomp workspace down here, you can just click on this to close that, and then you need to right click. Actually, you need to click on this right here, and this will add all of the libraries that you need to actually be able to mod in Forge. And then once you've done that, what you need to do is once this is finished, you need to right click on GenIntelliJ runs, and then you just need to click run once this is finished. I'll come back after this is finished, and then do the GenIntelliJ runs. Okay, so now once you've done that, once this is finished, you need to right click GenIntelliJ runs, now click run, and that will add all of the things that will let you run Minecraft. Once that's finished, you just click yes to reload the project. It will just do all of this again, and then the final step to get it all set up with Minecraft Forge to be able to code and make mods is to go into application. If you didn't see what I did just then, you need to click on this, click edit configurations, then go to application, and then go to Minecraft client, and you will need to change that to the name of your mod _main, and then do the same for the server. Now click apply, and now once I click Minecraft client and then click the play button, it will launch Minecraft with the example mod and everything in it. So I'll be right back as soon as it is finished loading. Okay, so now I've finished booting up Minecraft, and now if I go into mods, you can see example mod right here with its mod ID example mod and no version at the moment. It's currently 1.0. It'll have credits and then the people that wrote it. You can add a URL to your website if you want, and it's got a small description here. I will also show you how to add a custom icon up the top, which will be your mod logo, so that you can quite easily make your mod page just look that tiny bit nicer. Okay, and now what this example mod does, we will delete this next episode, but it will print out that a dirt block equals this text, tile.dirt. And if I go into here, then you can basically see in the example mod, it's setting the mod ID to example mod, setting the version to 1.0, and then printing out the dirt block like we said here. So it's exactly the same as that. It is exactly the same as that. And then it's got blocks.dirt, and it's getting its unlocalized name, which is basically its code name. I'm going to call it its code name that Minecraft recognizes as that. But anyway, if you enjoyed this episode, then, like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it, and subscribe if you. See you later. Goodbye.